Hi guys, today we're going to talk about decluttering your bathroom and making your bathroom a peaceful zen space that is zero waste, decluttered, and tidy. We're going to go over the KonMari method on how to do this and how to make it a space where clutter doesn't add up and everything doesn't get shoved into the drawers and into the medicine cabinets, and just again how to simplify and have a home for everything in your bathroom. Step 1 is to take everything out of the drawers, cabinets, medicine cabinets, everything off the countertops, in the shower, and put it all in the center of the floor. Make sure you include every single item in your bathroom and put it in a big pile in the middle of your floor so you can see exactly what you're dealing with. Step 2 is to sort through the pile. This is a good time to look at all of your products, see if anything's expired, if anything is too old to use, and dispose of items that you're not using, recycle them when possible, and just reassess everything that you have and think, is this the best place for it? Would this be better off in a linen closet, or would this be better off in the kitchen? Just eliminate things that you don't need in your bathroom and then start grouping your items by category, like shower, cabinet, medicine cabinet, and stuff like that. Step 3 is to consider new zero waste systems. For example, if you currently use body wash that comes in a plastic bottle, consider switching to bar soap. If you use shampoo and conditioner that comes in a plastic bottle, consider switching to glass containers that you can take to your bulk store and fill up in bulk. This actually makes it so that you don't have to go to the grocery store as much. If you fill them in big containers, then it makes it so much easier. Also, think about getting metal razors versus plastic ones and stuff like that. Just make sure that you use up all of your current supply and don't waste and throw away the things that you already have before switching to zero waste alternatives. Another great thing you can buy is a bidet. This helps to significantly reduce your toilet paper use and therefore your waste use. I know that Tushy is a great brand that's affordable on Amazon, so consider that. We also have a really detailed blog post that talks specifically about how to switch your bathroom into a completely zero waste bathroom, and that's on pixiecup.com. Step 4 is organizing your smaller items into containers. For example, if you have small bottles or hair ties or bobby pins, consider putting these items in containers that can be stored neatly in drawers or in cupboards. This just makes it so much more peaceful. When you're looking for something, you can simply open up a drawer and see it all organized in front of you instead of all loosely thrown into a drawer that ends up looking like a junk drawer or like clutter or chaos. Taking the time to organize your bathroom and declutter and make sure that all of your items has a home is so worth it. Even if it feels daunting in the beginning, I promise you, once you just buckle down and do it, you will feel so much better and so much more at ease when it comes to dealing with your bathroom. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below and let us know if there are any tidying or decluttering tips that we left out, because we always want to hear more.